Back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my videos. I'm going to be showcasing a new unit from the company Hayqueen crowns, and I feel like you can't really see the logo. Let me see if you can. My lighting kind of clashes with this box. I have not opened it yet, so I want to unbox everything with you guys. And she always packages everything up so nice and neat. So in the box, she did include this little clip right here. There's also a wig cap, an edge brush, and also instructions on how to take care of your unit. So included a wig grip. All right, and it's the one with the little lace. Right here, the little lace in the middle. So I will be trying this out today, and this is the unit. Units do come pre-styled, and it already comes with bleach knots. It already comes with the pre-plucked hairline, and it comes styled at the front of the hairline. So just gonna take all the papers and everything off. This is a closure unit. This is a 5x5 closure. It comes with your 2 combs on the side. It also comes with a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and she added an elastic band. I'll show you what that parting space looks like and how well the knots are bleached. Look at that, yes. And also, this is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. This has been sitting in the box for about 2 weeks, and the curls are still intact. I don't know if I'm gonna have to refresh them, but just wanted you guys to see what it looks like. Now the unit name is SOPHIA. It's a body weight texture. It's 150% in density, and this one is 20 inches in length. It's also a medium cap size. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area in case you guys wanna head over to the website and check it out. I'm not sure if I'm really gonna need this because she did add the elastic band on the unit, and who knows, it might end up fitting me really nicely. But I'm gonna place this on, this elastic band on, well, this wig grip on. I call it elastic band, but it's a wig grip. And it does come pre-styled as a middle part, so I just place mine in the middle, but of course you can rotate it around. The only thing about these type of wig grips is that I wish that the area kind of came over a little bit more so I can kind of attach this. I would have to put a bobby pin right there so it doesn't flap, but once you put your wig on, I feel like it's going to stay in place, especially because that one does come with an elastic band. Go ahead and place this on my head real quick so we can kind of see what it's looking like and if I possibly need to end up removing this, because like I said, I'm not sure. And with this elastic band on, it already feels like it's gonna be sturdy, so we're gonna see. So I have the unit on, and it is looking good. This side obviously stayed put. I'm gonna have to go in and recurl this side, just kind of like right up in the front area, but that's okay because she already laid the foundation. So me recurling this little area, it's not gonna be a big deal. But y'all, the fit on this is snug. Now, it's not a like uncomfortable snug where I feel like it's just so tight that I'm gonna have to take it off because I'm gonna have a headache, but it's on. Like, this is on. It's not moving. So I wanna get into the hairline, and this is what it is looking like up close. If you wanna go in and pluck it out a little bit more, that is totally up to you. I don't think I'm gonna do that just because I feel like it looks pretty good. And then also, she does do her little thing in the front with some little swoops. If you are not a fan of that, of course, you can always ask to not have that done. But I like the swoops, especially on the closure units, because you guys know sometimes when you cut the closure off on the side, sometimes you can still run into a little bit of lace, and it just kind of helps to blend it in all together. And that is what the parting space looks like. It is looking good. To add just a little bit of powder, you can see a little lightness right here, and that's from the lace on the wig grip, so just to kind of help blend everything in. Now, if you are not a fan of middle parts, you can always move your unit over, and I don't want to like disturb this curl, so I'm just going to kind of show y'all that you can move it, you know, to the side And then the color on this is looking good. Can't wait to cut this lace. Now this is definitely going to be a very simple and easy install. That is what I love about her units, because you know, they're already pre-done for you. You're just putting them on. And of course you might have to touch up the little pieces. I kept mine in the box a little bit longer. So if you take this out like right away as soon as it comes and put it on your mannequin head, you really shouldn't even have to do too much. But she curled this, like she definitely curled this. So I'm hoping I can match I'm hoping I can match this side to go with this side. If not, then I'm gonna definitely figure it out. I have this wig grip on and everything is nice and snug. I'm going to be doing a glueless install, so I'm just going to be using a little bit of mousse. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this lace. I need to lay this down a little bit more on this side and just kind of tweak it up a little bit, and then I will be back to show you guys the final look and also tell you guys my final thoughts. installing this wig, and it didn't take me any time at all. And guys, this is what I call a real beginner friendly wig, where everything is pretty much done for you. Now yes, I did still have to cut the lace off. I'm not sure if she offers that service. You might want to email and ask if you just really don't even want to have to worry about even doing that. But I use my mousse to lay the lace down in the front, and then I put my elastic band at the front of the hairline. Just let everything dry down while I style the hair. I did end up going in and curling this side, and then once I seen how this side looked, I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and recurl the front over here. And as you can see, the curls came out really nice. The curls are just like flowing back, and it curled well. I didn't have any issues with it keeping the curl. Mousse did a really good job with melting the lace in. Like, I'm holding my head up and I feel like it looks good. You don't see, you know, any lightness going on. I didn't have to put any powder at the very front of the hairline. I just put some on the side where the shorter hairs are swooped. And then I did have to put some powder into the parting space area just to kind of blend in and look more scalp-like. There was like a lighter little piece right here because of the wig grip I have on underneath. And then of course you could see the lightness of my cap. So I feel like adding that powder in definitely helped to open it up. I'm gonna show you guys the side of the cap construction. Now this is usually what it looks like as a closure unit. It's very thin, it's laying down really nice and flat. It's not bulky at all. And then of course, like, I can tuck the hair if I need to. You can always kind of bobby pin this just to keep it in place, just for extra security. Now this unit is stated to be 150% in density. Now it's 120% in the front area and then more 150% in the back. Now I will say that I do feel like this unit is more on the natural side. I love how it's not heavy density at the top of the unit just because it lays down really flat. But once you get towards the back, I don't feel like it's super heavy at all. Like, this unit feels very lightweight on my head. I feel like I can wear this all day without worrying about it being too much. So once you wash this, it is going to turn into a slight wave because it's a body wave texture. So it's not going to look as full as it does now with these curls in it. I put on the wig grip, and I also have that elastic band on, and I have the straps adjusted in the back. And I feel like this is not going to go anywhere. However, I am noticing a bit of room, like just right back here. This is a medium cap size, so I feel like a small would have fit me like perfectly. I'm not getting a lot of room in the back. It's laying down flat. The top is laying down flat, but just like right in this area on this side and this side is where I notice a little bit of extraness in the cap. I did add my Sleek and Shine serum throughout this hair because I noticed just a little bit of frizziness towards the bottom of this unit. I did notice a lot of flyaways going on. And then in the front of this unit, like, you can see the highlights. I don't know, I feel like it was just a little bit chunkier on this side versus this side. But this color is really pretty. I feel like this is going to be a great transition into the springtime. And I also feel like it's just not doing too much. This unit does start at 18 inches in length and it goes up to 26 inches. The 26 inches is definitely going to be some long hair, don't care. I feel like the 20 inches is hitting me perfectly, and I am only 5'2". This is a great everyday unit. Now, if you get your unit and you take it straight out of the box and like put it on the mannequin head just to let it sit, then I feel like that's better than keeping it in the box, because as you've seen, I did have to go in and recurl it. I do love that she offers those customizations for you. It already comes pre-styled. So honestly, you don't really have to put too much work in. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. She is really, really cute. If you are feeling this, I am gonna make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. If I have a coupon, I'll make sure to leave that down below also. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.